Good afternoon, boys and girls. So several kids are a little bit confused on the cool down for lesson 9. So I'm going to do a brief little tutorial here. First of all, please don't try to do the exit slips without doing the lesson. They really are not going to make a lot of sense to you. This is really a full-blown algebra unit at this point, so it's pretty complex. With going through the lesson, doing the practice problems, checking the practice problems, you'll be much more prepared. So here's the explanation of this. So they're asking us to make an equivalent expression. So the distributive property, which is what we talked about today, tells you to take this term and multiply it by that term. So over here would be simply 7 times 3, which is, of course, is 21. And you have to take that 7 and distribute to the 5. So that's 7 times 5, which is 35. So that's number 1. Number 2, we're sort of working backwards. It says 15 minus 10, so we have to utilize this, so it's 15 minus 10. Well, inside the parentheses is 3 and 2. Well, the only term that can come out here to make that equivalent to this is 5, because 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. Therefore, we have that. So the term that goes out here is 5. Because working forward, you would take that 5, multiply it by the 3, that's 15. And of course, take that 5 and multiply it by the, take that 5 and multiply it by the 2, and that would be the 10.